So I had this idea that after yesterday's attempt at moving the car forward, and every time we take 2 steps forward, we take 1 step back. And that's not really working out for me at the moment. So I've decided today to just paint one of my old valve covers, which is a K-series valve cover. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to get my daughter, whenever she's finished, to flick some paint onto that. I haven't got any hardener, so it's going to be a little bit sketchy. I'll probably have to go out and get some hardener, but at this stage we're just going to flick the paint on and see what happens, see what we can get away with, and make this work. This is relatively the final product. Maybe the pink's turning to red, which I don't really like, and I don't know why. I think it's probably because it's an acrylic type of paint and the color's just not really there. So it's supposed to be a super hot, light hot pink, but oh well, this is the product. Things are dry, so it looks okay. I think this is too much, but it's okay. It was me and my daughter, so I think this is fine. If anything, I'll probably throw some different types of pink on there just to make it look a little bit nicer, but or maybe it's because the color fades and the blue seeps through and it turns, I don't know, but we'll be clearing this probably tomorrow. But very cool, I don't mind that at all. So this, I just added some pinks just because the original pinks, they didn't hold up their colors. It kind of looked a little bit reddish, so I just threw this Pantina pink onto it and it looks okay. So we're gonna clear it and see how it looks. Swivel chair, this is what it looks like. So got our clear coat mixed up. In theory this should work. Well, not theory, I've done this before, but it works better with like a stronger metallic type of color. But silver should be okay. What do you guys think so far? That's a look. That's probably 2 coats of clear. I forgot to record the first session, so you guys can have a look how it looks right now. Impressed or not? So like I said, we're just going to lay on the clear as much as possible, so it's as smooth as possible because the paint is raised. So I just recently added some more silver metallics. You can see it very slightly, and I think it's a nice touch. So we're going to go with another coat. I think one more coat should do it. Alright guys, what do you think? So this is before, and we're going to see what it looks like after. So before, I was tempted to do that in the background because I was thinking, oh, shouldn't be that hard. not only did it take me forever to get off, but on top of that, when I previously had this powder coated, I never removed the seals. And after years and years of sitting on the shelf, it's caked on. So I had to use a screwdriver and a mallet to try to bash them out. And look at them, they're like rock hard. Like rock hard. And if I show you the bottom of it, that's how it looks at the moment. So I'm gonna have to like really pry these out somehow. But yeah, they didn't want to come out at all. And if anything, like look at it, it's like caked to the sides. Probably because of the powder coating. I don't know, but don't do this, guys. So I'm gonna just keep on hacking out this, and hopefully it comes out nicely. Alright, load it up with some oil to lube it in. Here. Look at that, that's how it's meant to look versus how I did it. I think it should be okay, right?